sick and tired of waiting for tow planes, I'm going to put a jet engine on my glider. That'll get me up to where I need to be. And then give me a little extra juice, too, if I need to be anywhere else, and I can glide all day. Rams is going to head back over to the complex there to make sure that he gets all of that ground so that he can prepare to fly on the west coast. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, 20 years were successfully piloting soaring aircraft, emulating the bird's ability to use rising air currents. They began man's adventures in flight. With no other launch method available, they launched their frail craft from ridges or hills. The need to launch from elevated terrain